Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare retinol versus retinoid, which is better. Start by patch testing, then apply a pea-sized amount to dry skin every other night. Retinoids provide quicker results for acne and wrinkles, while retinol is gentler and available over the counter. We will look at strength, irritation risk, and practical use tips so you can choose what fits your skin routine comfortably. Think of retinoids as the stronger option and retinol as the slower, gentler route. A prescription retinoid can show clearer skin faster, but often brings more dryness and peeling. Retinol requires weeks to convert into active acid, so patience matters. We will compare visible timelines, how to manage flaking, and how to choose a product that balances effectiveness with your skin sensitivity and lifestyle needs. Use retinoids or retinol at night, and keep your daytime SPF consistent to prevent sun damage. Start slowly, using products one night every few days, then increase frequency as your skin adapts. Moisturizers and gentle cleansers help manage dryness and avoid combining strong acids or benzoyl peroxide initially. I will explain simple layering rules to reduce redness and keep results steady without over.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.